Alright, so what's up, guys? Sorry I wasn't posting a few days, for like 2 days or 1 day, because I was at my friend's house spending the night. Should have recorded, didn't. I'm sorry about that. But, so yeah, today I'm just heading over to my friend's house, and we're just gonna do whatever we can for like video, because I'm really bored. So we're just gonna see what they have. Oh, a bird just flew away. Anyways, so hope you enjoy. So I'm just gonna go into his house now, because that's mean and I wouldn't do him like that. So I'm just, oh my gosh, there's a bug. I just rang the doorbell. He might not be home. Let's see. Probably. Okay. All right, so okay, so guys, he's about to eat, and then after, so tell him why they have to wear eye patches.
This eye is weak, very weaker than this one. So I have to use this one.
Because I don't know, but their eye is weak. Their eye is weak, so that's why they're wearing that throughout the whole video. Maybe next video if I come over here. But okay, so you get the point. So just don't ask about that. All right. So we're gonna be playing hide and seek after he eats and stuff. So yeah. All right, so guys, we're about to play hide and seek as I just literally went.
There are now
like that.
2 of us.
There's now him.
And he farted.
Okay, there's him and him.
Colton.
He's clothes on because he's on the shower. So who wants to be it?
It's not a coat. Not it. Not it.
Both of y'all rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, it's me and
No, bro, just rock, both of y'all.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
This is really
Rock,
bad.
paper, scissors, shoot. Jake said.
You're it. All right, count to 60.
Hold up.
A minute?
Doesn't he get the phone?
No. All right, go count. He's counting to 100 now because he's a little cheater. Go. Gosh, bro. All right, where do we go?
Let's go.
Where do we go? I don't know. What's your idea? Where?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. Where?
All right, kids.
I got an idea. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I got a good idea. I'm gonna hide. I'm clueless. I'm literally behind here. It's probably the best spot. Alright, I'm just gonna wait until I see him. He just went outside. No, he didn't. He's going somewhere. He's going somewhere. I know he is. Oh, that's a good spot right there. That's a good spot for me. I'll hide in that truck. I don't know where he is. I'm sorry. If you can hear me, just I'm scared. Oh my god. He just ran I'm sorry. You're coming out of the video the next time it comes. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait until it comes back up. I hear him moving around. I hear him moving around, bro. It's weird. He has to tell Colton. Bro, I'm really scared. I'm gonna try to move. Actually, no. He's checking outside again. He went in the garage. Guys, he went in the garage. I'm hiding behind this couch. Boy, bro, you suck at hiding. Bro, look, how do you not know where Colton is? Bro, look. Colton, there was giving away spots. How do you not know? Bro, you suck at hide and seek. He's in here. I was behind the chair at a better spot than you. This dude reports
On?
Bro, that's so stupid.
Is it still on?
Yes, it's on. I'm about to count to 60. Y'all go hide.
I destroyed you.
No, bro, because this motherfucker sucks at hide and seek. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna count to 60, alright? Go hide! Gosh. So, guys, I'm not really gonna count to 60. I'm just gonna sit here. And, yeah. Hey, comment down below for another ideas. It can be anything, literally. From freaking Floor's Lava to, Truth or Dare. Or like something else, just random. All right, comment down below, please, because I really added ideas. So just yeah. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit and then go get them. All right, guys. So it's been a little bit, and I'm gonna go look for them right now. No one's in there. Right now, someone's probably in here. Like behind here. Nope. Under the bed? Nope. In Colton's closet? Nope. So, probably in the living room, maybe. Alright. I'm not sure. Not behind here. Not behind there. I'm not sure where. Behind this door? I see you, Colton. You scared me. You scared me, Colton. Colton, bro, they can't see.
You don't know where Jake is?
Come on, bro, come here.
You seriously don't know where
Bro, he scared the frick out of me. Bro, you scared me. I'm like, I thought that was.
You seriously don't know where Jake is? He's close.
This motherfucker's probably like up in the.
Oh my.
Oh, I see you. I see a little chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. All right, so.
Can I have the phone this time?
No.
Yes.
No, it's
Yes.
not. Bro, it's my. What the frick? Bro, it's mine. No. All right, so.
Fine, I'm counting to 60. 1, 4,
Go.
5, 6.
Bro, go. I don't freaking. Here. I got a good spot. Like up in here. Wait, no. No. Just let me hide there. I'm hiding in a pillow.
Here, someone.
I need help. Help me.
I hear Aiden.
He's trying to trick us.
Hi, Jake.
Let's go, baby. Let's get it.
Where did you come from, boy?
Bro, we didn't know where to hide.
Yeah, he's ready.
Can we just play with the dogs?
For like 5 minutes?
Yes. Yes?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay. Yes! Fine, 5 minutes. Their dogs are really sweet.
Don't
even
let
though
him
they
out.
look-
Don't let him out.
You mean ants?
Well, don't let him out. I don't give a
Oh my
frick.
gosh, they're so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Sable, that one. And then Arky, he's really sweet.
Yeah.
Sable, so this is what they do.
It's an egg.
What the what? No, that is not an egg. Y'all chase each other, do something. It's Arky, that's Sable.
And I'm Jake.
He's Dick. And he's Colton, and I'm in. Go, come on, dogs.
I'll be right back.
Young doggy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, throw it. I'm turn it sideways. Actually, no, y'all, cause y'all.
see if she'll get the frisbee up.
Oh my gosh. Archie, come here, buddy. Archie, come here.
Look, wait, look at Sable right now. Look at, oh no,
She has
it's
a
gone.
rocket.
She was doing the rock thing. Sable, low.
That means drop it.
Sable, sit.
Oh, you're so nice. Oh, so nice. Oh my god. Gosh. Dang.
Don't get wet.
Archie's nice.
All right, yes, do the rock thing. Dog is crazy.
Dang.
She's trying to eat her toe. Whoever, if you think this is cool, like that like button. Because this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen with a dog.
Freaking eating a rock.
No, she's just trying to play with it.
Eat it. Hashtag eat it.
Hashtag.
By the way, I'm about to throw this up.
Hashtag
I'm
raw.
about to throw this up and put it in slow motion. See what it looks like. Sorry it was so short, but that was the end of the video, and I hope you liked the end of Jake's face. This was, my gosh, dang! Here, y'all want to see in like actual, look how fast they are.
Chickens?
The chickens
Chicken! Oh, bird.
that hit the, okay. Go again. Because like, it kind of messed up, so yeah, they're gonna go again. They're like insane. It's crazy. They're not harmful.
Get over it. What was that us? I want to see the other one.
No, bro. Hold on. All right. So, bye. Like and subscribe.
That was fun.